Today we're going to show you how to change your Nissan Murano key fob battery, which we got right here. It's going to work for the 3, 4, and 5 button models of the Nissan Murano. First thing we need to do is we got to remove the existing key or the spare key. So we're going to press up right here. That's going to allow us to release that key. Now these batteries or these key fobs typically take a CR2032 or a CR2025 battery. We've got links to both those below. But in order to do this, very important that you take a screwdriver, and there's two little ledges here on the end where you took that key out. You're going to push in and pry like this. You don't want to push right in there because you're going to damage the electronics if you use too much force, so we don't want to do that. We're just going to push that in, get just the tip there in that on the Nissan Maxima Key, and then we're going to pry like this. You see that? We're going to rotate and pry rather than just shoving it right in there. And that is important in order to get the Nissan Maxima, the Nissan Murano key fob battery changed. Now you can see this one says it takes a CR2032 battery right there. And we're going to take that and we're just going to pry that out. You can see it's got the positive side down, the negative side up. It's important to remember when you replace it with the new CR2032 battery for your Nissan Murano key fob. So we're going to take our CR2032 battery, we're going to place it in the Nissan Murano key fob. We're going to put the plus symbol down, negative side up. And now we're ready to put the cover back on the Nissan Murano key fob. Bam, put that in place, and we're going to slide our key right back in. So there we go. We got to make sure we got the right orientation. So I hope that this helped you. And before you leave, I'm going to ask you one really big favor here. It doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't really take you any time either. Click that thumbs up or subscribe button. And the reason why is because that's going to help more people see this video, and it's going to help them save money just like it saved you money, saved you a little bit of time. And times are tough out there, folks. And you doing that for me does help other people. And it helps me continue to make videos like this to help you out and help other folks out there. So thanks again for watching how to change your Nissan Murano key fob battery. We appreciate you being here, and we will see you next time.